Test, test. Okay, hello. I'm live streaming without really being set up here, but I wanted to just set this going. I'm looking in the chat, the YouTube chat. I'm going to use that for right now. So if you are watching this, please, and you want to communicate with me, please use the YouTube chat. I do have access to the Slack channel. One thing, so in theory, there might be other people watch, just so you're aware, I mean, this is not a blocked link. So nothing about this is authenticated. In other words, you could be, if you shared the link to this live stream with a friend, they could watch it. But I only shared the link to this in the Slack channel and through a members only post through YouTube. But what I would like to say in particular is if you are a YouTube member and do not have a Slack invitation, let's use this as an opportunity to get any YouTube members who happen to be watching invited into the Slack. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm planning to return for a regular live streaming event tomorrow afternoon. And what I'm going to do today is attempt to set up this new laptop. You can see some new stickers. This is souped up new MacBook Pro thingy-mabob. I have this USB-C adapter in theory. I have this one. I have a power. I have my old laptop, which I think will become the green screen laptop, I guess, to do the monitoring of things. So let me try to do what I can here. Let me put the chat up where I usually have it. That's going to help me monitor it. And then if I don't know if there'll be time, but I actually would like to record some stuff because I have a lot of content that I need to make. I usually don't like to record stuff that's not part of a public live stream. But okay, so let me just try to get to, let me try to get the chat up on this computer. Okay. Creator Studio, events, live streaming. Hi everybody, events. Watch now, I don't know. Pop out chat. Okay, so now I have the chat in view where I usually have it in view, except I don't see anything. I see Cryptic said, hello everyone. I see Manolo Edge. You know those like little S, like sponsor icons that you have for the YouTube members? I have I have a whole new set of emojis and icons that are being designed right now. I'll show some of them. Let me get so let me do some things. Let me move, oh shoot. I don't have the right adapter. Shoot, okay, hold on, I have to think about this. I probably have a cable. Hold on, I need to figure out how to get the output of this. I brought both of these and I forgot that the output that is actually needs to go into one of these is the display, Thunderbolt, mini display, Thunderbolt. I have no idea what this is. It doesn't go in here. I have USB-C to regular USB to HDMI. I like to call it HDMI. So let's see what I can do. I might have to go downstairs to get another cable, but I have a lot of cables up here. So let's try to figure this out. This goes all the way. Okay, wait. I have to trace this cable. I know this might not be interesting for anybody to watch, by the way, so feel free to tune out. Or just leave it on in the background, and you might notice later that I'm actually doing something of interest. Okay, this is a mess, this room. I need a whole day. Okay, this goes to here. How am I supposed to figure out which one this is? Oh, there's an HDMI out. Okay. HDMI, and that's getting power though. So hold on. I'm sorry, everybody. All these cables are mixed together in a way, in theory, to make it less messy in here, but I can't figure out. So I might unplug the camera. Hold on. Let me turn the other camera on. Turn this light on. Let's just get, because I'll know if I unplug one of the cameras by accident. So, okay, that's whiteboard, this camera. So let me, oh, I just thought of something I need to send an email about. Hold on, I have to do that too. So let me guess. Oh wait, it wouldn't have power coming into it because it's not connected. Oh, but they all have power. HDMI in. That's strange. So this one, there's 3 of these. This is definitely this camera, so don't mess with this one. Oh, it's this one. HDMI in. Oh, I know what to do. This is going to be easy. Okay, I figured it out. So that camera works. Where's the number 2 here? 1. Oh, shoot. I'm pretty sure I figured this out. I just need a regular HDMI cable. Sorry. Did it freeze? Oh my God, did it freeze? No. Audio is still fine. Oh, I unplugged something. I must have unplugged something else. Shoot. Oh yeah. Okay, something else got unplugged by accident. Which is this. Oh yeah, sorry, I unplugged the keyboard by accident. I don't know how that happened. Stepped on something. Okay, should be back. Just want to make sure. Okay, it's on the whiteboard. Okay, great. So the cameras are both working. I need an HDMI cable. So I'm going to try to have faith that I would have somewhere in this room kept an extra HDMI cable. I've already found one. This one is broken. I have so many cables here. Extra this, extra that. So hold on, I'm just looking through a thing of cables right now. See if I can find an extra HDMI cable. Oh my God, this is nuts. What is this craziness? Whiteboard cleaner, tape. Oh, more Expo markers. There's so much stuff in here. I got to go through all this. Like return it all, put it away. But no HDMI cable. For testing purposes, oh, whoa. Wait a second. Oh, right. Oh, that's the overhead camera. Where's that one going? Sorry, I'm thinking there's an extra HDMI cable that runs all the way around. This would be very bad of you. Oh, that's like a mini HDMI on that side, though. If you still see me, I think things are still working. Yeah. So no HDMI cable here. It's funny, I know exactly where there's an HDMI cable downstairs, and I should probably just go downstairs and get it. It'll be much faster than me looking around here, and I might not even find one here. But there's a couple other places I can look. That's an audio cable. All right, oh well. So I think I have to go downstairs and get an HDMI cable. Unless anybody can think of a way. I could unplug something else that's using an HDMI cable, but I'm loath to do that. Okay. Sorry, everybody. This won't take me that long. I'm going to leave the microphone up here. I don't know what Donanjay, I hope you did not get the i9 version of the MacBook Pro. Let's see what I got. 2.9 gigahertz Intel Core i9. Oh well. The good news is this is officially an NYU computer. Sorry, hopefully that wasn't too loud. I've got to go get an HDMI cable. I will return in approximately probably 5 minutes. I just literally taking an elevator down to the 4th floor and then back up to this floor. I'm taking my keys with me and my phone. So keep people posted in the chat that if anybody joins here. I'll be right back, okay? See, this is good that I'm discovering this stuff, because if I waited till tomorrow, there'd be no live stream tomorrow. I'll be right back. Everything still seems to be here. I'm going to put the mic back on. Yeah, it's a stream of a laptop. Okay, so let me put the mic back on. Apologies in advance to your ears if anything like loud happens by accident. So now I actually have two options. One is I have an HDMI cable, but I also just have this USB-C to Thunderbolt. I feel like I should just use this because then I can just plug into the existing system, right? So I'm going to try this. Also, most people coming up here, if other people are using this room, they won't necessarily have what am I trying to say? They won't necessarily have HDMI, and so if just keeping the same setup is actually kind of good. But now I'm looking for where that cable went to. The one that it plugs into. Here it is. Okay, so in a moment, yeah, exactly. All right, so in a moment, I am going to, I don't think there's anything super private here, but I think what I'm going to do is, hold on, give me a second, everybody. I apologize. I'm going to create a new login for this computer, which is what I always do, and set that up from scratch before I plug it in. Leave site, whatever, sure. Oh, I did have one email I need to send. If you can bear with me for a second, I just need to send a quick message. By the way, also I have to leave at 2:45 at the absolute latest. Let me look for this, because I just was going to tell Jason, who is the illustrator for the logo and branding materials, was asking me if I wanted anything ready for tomorrow, and I guess I could get a new wallpaper. In terms of things, I'll just read what I'm writing. That would be nice for tomorrow. Okay, so I sent that email, quit, system preferences. Okay, I don't mind plugging this in now. So let's try plugging this in. I just wanted to close all my browsery stuff. See what happens. That didn't seem to work. Let me make sure I have this all in the right place. HDMI in. Okay, so let's be methodical about this. Okay, so sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug into the old laptop. And, oh my God, this laptop is so disgusting. It's like just dirty and okay. So let me plug this back into the old laptop to see that this is working. Okay, so that's the old laptop. Okay, so the cable is working. Now I want this. Why, right? Thunderbolt, does it have to go into a particular one of these? Does it need power? Like maybe I should power. I mean, let me plug in my power just in case that's sort of an issue somehow. I know there's all sorts of weirdness with this. Oh, and this power cable's like totally probably not going to be long enough. Let's try plugging in the power. Okay, let's plug this in. Wait a sec. Something happening? No. Let me go to displays. Detect displays. Right, Thunderbolt and a Thunderbolt adapter would work for mini display, or maybe not. Maybe I need specifically like this one is. So this is the mini display that I have plugged into my Thunderbolt connector. This is a USB-C to Thunderbolt. Yeah, so this should definitely work. Right? But it's not detecting anything. I could restart, but I don't think I should have to. Oh wait, no, AirPlay. I could AirPlay. Display built-in, option, detect displays. Does anybody have any ideas? I mean, I could revert to using the HDMI. Guess I'll have to try that. That should be fine. Oh, so it might not be a Thunderbolt with display port adapter, I think. Okay, so I probably have, maybe this adapter is no good. Well, let's try HDMI. Now, what I don't understand is like this USB-C thing, one of its outputs is USB-C. Does it require, like, and then I have this power plugged directly into the laptop. Does the power have to go in here and then this goes in there? I have this like idea that it has to do that. I don't know why I think that. Okay, it's getting power. Let me do that for a second. Now let me try HDMI to HDMI. You can pass through power, but you shouldn't have to do that. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, we're going to put this in here. And then this is going to go in here. Oh, great. This works. Excellent. Okay, now you're seeing something. I have to figure this out. Oh wait, so it's either a setting here? Yep, okay, great. We are good. So now I am going to go to System Preferences. This is the default background, by the way, I didn't pick that. Users. Add a user. Go unlock. Hold on. Yeah. Add a user. The coding train. Coding train. Let's give it this password. Create user. Allow user to administer the computer. Okay, now restart. Okay, so now I need to move things around. Let's move this out of the way. This computer. Comes over here. By the way, these spots are now for sale. Any sponsors? I'll totally, like, no freebies anymore, except for organizations that I love, like School for Poetic Computation, anything that's like a, arts or nonprofit-y thing. But if any of these, GitHub wants me to put their sticker there, they're gonna have to pay. Oh, no, wait, do I want to install? I didn't install, I'm just restarting. So now, this is going to be my extra computer, which I am now going to log back into my regular That's funny. So I definitely want to change that. Oh, password. Whoops. Slack. I'm opening up the Slack channel over here. No. Okay. This is like an unboxing video. I could probably get like millions of views if I actually did this public. Okay. Do I want this with true tone display or not? I'll just continue. Okay, so now I need to find my, okay, first of all, let's get rid of all this crap that I don't use. I could imagine using that. Now, applications. You guys are going to be so impressed with me. Chrome. Let's put that over here. Whoops. Hello. Chrome. iTerm. And Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna need your help in figuring out these things. Now somewhere I posted coding train wallpaper. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I'm not on the internet. NYU. Almost clicked show password because I always do that. Ooh, that was fun. Yeah, this laptop may be the one that had bad issues. We'll see. Oh my God. 400, I haven't opened this computer. No, ignore. Do not send the message. Ignore. Okay, wallpaper download. So first of all, let me sign into GitHub. And, sorry everybody. Oh, this is riveting live streaming. Okay, so where did I add the files here? So I think I put the files somewhere like under assets maybe, wallpaper, which is the one that I use typically. There's this one, I think I like the purple one. And so let's download this. And let's folders. This is probably a bad idea to do it this way, but this will work. Okay, great. Okay, here we go. That's good. Okay. So let's see here. Now I've done a lot of stuff like set up Git. Yeah, so Git, how do I list what's in Git config? Get, oh yeah. Git config get all. Right? Oh, git config global get all. No? First of all, I gotta make this much bigger. Yikes, what is that about? No. Get all values. Oh, I have to give it a key. Right, that's what I'm wondering. Cat get config. Will it be, it should be empty for the new user, right? Yeah, so I've got to set that up. So I'm going to also have to, let's see. So let's do this. So first, and set git username is, yeah. Whoa. 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 I didn't know you could. Okay. So, what is it? K. Was it just this? User.email, right, of course. User.email. Okay, that's looking good. Let's do this. Should I have a passphrase? Yes, the reason why I was wondering is I already installed Git and set everything up, but now I logged in as a different user. Should I be using a passphrase? I want to know what does the studio audience here think of whether I should be using a passphrase or not. Git config -- list. Thank you. You guys are way behind me, I guess. No need. I'm taking that as the gospel. No passphrase. Okay. Now what I need to do is do this thing. Actually, do I even need to do that? I just need to add. I guess I'll do this. And this. And then I need to return to GitHub. Go to settings, SSH keys. Oh my God, what? So many things. No, not a GPG key. Oh, it should be Daniel.Schiffman. Okay, I can fix that. Coding train live. And then I have to do something. How do I, what's that thing to copy it? Copy SSH key to GitHub. Just do this. Then I should be able to put it in here. And am I going to need to change this then? All right, well, let's see. User.name. Okay. And then like this, right? Okay. Let's try. Let's try grabbing this. Hi, Priswall. All right, so that's good. And now, okay, so now let me I already have that. So that stayed. I set that up on the computer. Ooh, what is this doing? Why did it open that up in Safari? Give me a break there. Okay. Okay. Let's just change a little something like. Whoa. So first of all. Probably bigger than that. Let's go with this for right now. Whoa, that is way too big, probably. Let's go back to this. Not sure about this, but I won't worry about that right now. You are all so funny. Okay, let me just change something. This is like totally irrelevant now. How do I generate one of those subscribe links? The coding train / subscribe? Probably that, right?
Let's find something we want to make, some crazy idea. We'll figure out what it takes to...
Oh, what should I be? I think I need to make a new Google account. I think I get, oh no, Mathieu gets these emails. I think Daniel at thecodingtrain.com. Oh, I don't have my password manager. Shoot, I'm gonna do the worst thing ever. 8 or more characters. Hold on, what's it doing? Oh, and I don't have, hold on. Accessibility, Zoom, this is the thing I love to use. Yep, okay. What should I just, the password I'm just gonna use. Did that email go to me? We shall soon find out. I'm pretty sure it's just a forwarding thing. Verify your email address. All right, fine, everybody. Blah, 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 blah. I do not agree, but I have to. I have no other choice. If I was crossing my fingers.
Let's find something we want to make.
Ooh, look, I can
Some
subscribe.
crazy idea.
I got another subscriber.
We'll figure out what it
Oh, I can get
takes to make that
notifications.
dream appear. We'll try to
do I,
understand now as we ride along again. Now hop on the
I wanted to figure out if oh yeah, this is the link.
Coding train. Come along and join us as we light it up in code.
That link.
Using only our imagination. Let's find
Fuck
something
the
we want.
subscribe.
Whatever your some crazy idea. We'll figure out what it takes to make that dream appear. We'll try to understand
This is
now
so
as
not
we
what
ride
I'm
along
not gonna
again. Now hop on that train. Make things up real quick. Coding train. Come along and join us as we light it up in code. Using only our imagination as the road. Never forget that it's not just hop on the coding train. Coding train. Pick you all up at the station. We'll make things of our own creation.
What do I do here?
Fireworks. We can generate sounds or trees or mazes.
Something like that.
Fly or reflect our faces. A retro game. And never forget that this time just hop on the coding train. Coding train.
I'm doing the bad thing.
Coding train.
Oh, you can hear the audio from the laptop. That was not intentional. I did not realize that's happening. Okay, sorry. I forgot. I need the whole new sound setup too. Output. Here we go. Okay. Now, if I look at this.
Almost anything with it.
Okay, you shouldn't.
You should take this online Python bootcamp.
Okay,
course.
so you shouldn't be hearing that other than through my mic now. Okay. Oh, let's try this. All right, so GitHub is set up correctly. That works. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so now what I would like to know. So first of all, how do I get the silly doc to go away? No. Oh yeah, let's remove this from the doc. I mean, come on, really? Okay, I guess the App Store I can't remove. Turn hiding on. Okay. So this is kind of similar to what I had before. This font looks smaller. Let's try 28. And why did it just go save? Why did it just do that? No, I don't want full screen. And I don't want this either. I want this. Something like this. Okay, that's a little bit better. All right, so here's the things that I need to do. Besides, I have a half an hour. Ugh. All right. All right, so here's something that I would like to note. Now, Austin I don't believe is watching right now, but if you're there, Austin sent me a whole big, oh yeah, I have like, why do I have a million Slack messages over here? Oh, that's not gonna be important. Sent me a document about setting up iTerm2, which involves using ZSH. I assume that ZSH is for like getting like a theme. I think I want to try to have a setup that I'm going to show other people without an extra whole extra step like that. What I have seen other people's setup is that when they're in iTerm or their terminal, things are nicely colored, and that it always says something about what like branch you're on and that sort of thing. It gives you some like information about Git sort of constantly. I feel like that would be useful for me to have. Anybody have any tips for setting that up right now? The other thing I want to do is doesn't this have like a preview? Which I don't know that I want, but preview, and also isn't there like a terminal that I can run in Visual Studio Code itself? Like what else should I be doing? Like it's real like basic stuff in Visual, and then I need some kind of syntax audit, like what's that called? The sort of nice tidy cleanup code thing. You just need to customize your bash profile. Okay. Customize my bash profile. Do we like this person's one? This looks like way too much for me. Anybody got a nice simple one they want to share with me? Command ZSH. Command tilde. By the way, when you write a message in the chat, I generally don't know what you're referring to because you're writing it 20 to 30 seconds after I've actually said it. So command tilde, is that the, so let me just open up something here like snake game p5.js. So let's do something like this. So command, I don't know what command tilde does. So auto, like what I want is the equivalent of atom beautify. Beautify code, VS code. So I probably want beautify, JS beautify for VS code. VS Code uses JS Beautify internally, but it lacks the ability to modify the style you wish to use. I'm fine with the internal one for now. What's the, but it doesn't seem to be command tilde. Or option tilde? Nope. No? Oh, that's interesting though. Oh, hold on. Press Command Shift plus P to launch any command in VS Code, among which the show integrated terminal command. Next to the command, you also see the shortcut for that. Oh, Command tilde to open terminal. Got it. Yes, there we go. And this would also make use of my, can I, oh no, I don't want to do that. Can I customize this? Editor font size, like terminal font size. I'd have to, whoops. If I were guessing, That didn't seem to do it. But I also, and how do I close this? Oh, set that's just up here, okay. You Control Shift F for format. Oops, no. So here, beautify, no, format. Shift Option F. Let's see. Interesting. Okay, but I wanted this to go back up here, but that's fine. Let's try, oops, and I ended up in search over here. I want this, yeah. Oh, and this is search, interesting. This is like get information. Oh, interesting, that's cool. Snake, so if I do, so what I like is to have it auto format on save. VS Code format on save. Editor format on type true. Beautify on save true. Should try that. Formats the line when you press enter. Huh. Well, there's a lot of use control. Command plus will open settings. From there you can enable auto format. Yeah. Let's see if is beautify already going? No. So I guess I probably have to install beautify. Oh, install. All right, let's try this. Okay. Extension. So now I'm looking for a nice just bash profile template that's like really basic, but gives me just a few nice things. If anybody has any ideas, did that install? It installed. So how do I run, let's see now. Beautify is very hard to spell. I need to make this higher, by the way. That's the formatting. Oh, I see. Debug console. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, I see. Interesting. Oh, wait. Did I install it? Where did I get to extensions? Whoops. Oh. No, I'm afraid of this. I probably should do this, but I'm not going to. I didn't install it yet. Oh. Let's try this again. I thought I did. No. It looks kind of installed. Reload, disable, uninstall. Oh, okay. Okay. I doubt I do. Okay, let's see. No. I have to reload to install. I thought I did that. So, I definitely thought I did that. Where do I go to the, how do I do it directly? Extensions, okay. Beautify. All right, disable, uninstall. It's there. So now how do I get it to run? Oh, key command B. Key bindings.json, okay. Okay. So where do I get to key bindings.json? Here we go. Guess I'll leave this command B. And then I also, whoops. I also have this beautify on save. So let's see if now, there, okay. It works. So the on save is not working, but that works. Maybe it's, all right, let's look here. Editor format on save. Oh. Let's try that. I think it wants, I think it's probably just using, okay, so command B, and there we go. All right. Commonly used section. I think I already found it, okay. All right. All right, so I think that's good. Okay. All right, so this is good. New computer. JSint, ESLint, NPM, all sorts of stuff. I'm not going to worry about this stuff right now. Go back to here. Just curious here. I don't want to change these right now, so I'm just going to get rid of that. All right, so the last thing I want to do, well, not the last thing, but next thing I want to do is figure out a nice, simple oh my God, so much, too much. I just want, oh, so I should be using ZC, so I guess ZSH is a thing I should be using. I was trying to avoid that somehow, but it seems to be like a thing that people use. My favorite bash profile, guide to building a great bash SR. Oh no, oh I can't, too much, no, oh my goodness, oh, this is too much for me. I just want some nice colors. On the left side on the editor, the last square thing, you can access all oh, this is extensions? Got it. Got it. That's extensions. Okay, great. Okay, so I guess I might as well install ZSH. Modern Macs should come with ZSH, but we need to check for good measure. Do not, oh, I have ZSH. Well, silly me. Okay, blah, 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 blah. It's not there? Oh, do you not see it? Then here's step 7. No. No. Oh, there's a link to something that will work in the Slack. Okay. Let me look for that. Just want something basic here. Just because in case I show this to people, I would like to have the minimal number of steps. Well, something has already changed. Oh, I'm running ZS8 or something. What the? So how do I set a ZSH? Set a ZSH theme. Oh, okay. Okay. Install Oh My ZSH. I like that. Okay, let's try this. I'm just trying to avoid using brew. My mission in life. Okay. Okay. Cool. Woohoo! This is what I want. All right. I'm good. All right. Excellent. Oh my ZSH was the solution for me. Okay. That's all I needed to do. All right. Now wait, hold on. What happens if I quit iTerm and I open it up again? Sure, check automatically. All right. Oh, but I need to always have the font size bigger. Appearance. Oh, I suppose that's in okay. Under profiles, okay. Ooh. So let me do, add a new profile, streaming, and probably like 28. Should be bigger than that. That's a little bit extreme, but I like having it large for, so now, there we go, whoa, but that I don't want. Is it just remembering what I had before? Why is it making it such a like huge window? It's weird. I wonder if that's part of the profile. Ah. Let's try that. Okay, that'll do. Kind of like that. That's fine. I don't need to be too crazy here. Okay. Okay. All right. So I think I'm in good shape here. Okay. All right. So that's my workflow stuff. Now, I have to go soon, unfortunately, but this is what I need to figure out. Whoops. I need to figure out, okay, so log in, the coding train. I do, there we go. Yeah, sure. No. Okay, so now I need to figure this out. So first of all, this is going to be inadequate, but I'm just going to do this for right now. This is good. That's just going to be like a little bit better. I have to deal with that if I have this bigger laptop here. Now, here, so the interesting thing about this, teaching with the editor, is I should really be like over here. I mean, one option is for me to do what I always do, which is just to kind of like move this over like this. Just gives me much less space to work with, but it's kind of fine, and I can still kind of talk through the code. Does the console, is there I don't believe there is a setting where I can change the font size in the console, which is too bad, but that's okay. So there isn't a left-handed version. I didn't want to request that as a feature because I know that would be like just a, I think that's a nice like future feature, but I didn't want to, you know, I feel like there's enough stuff to get the editor to work, and that can be something that comes later. So let me think about what I want to do. But, you know, I can easily, in Open Broadcast Studio, move myself. Like I can be over here. And then I can then this can be here. And, you know, the problem is when I go like this, I could put the monitor over here. So I could, yeah, when I walk off the screen, it'll be into the, yeah, that's not good. I mean, I could flip myself. That might be weird, though. What if I do that? Is there like a mirroring? Properties? This is a super interesting problem. Transform, flip horizontal. Okay, oh! Oh! I solved it. Right? Because now when I walk this way, oh. Oh, all the stickers are backwards. Yeah, but this works now. I mean, this is better. The tutorials will be better, me doing it this way. I mean, it's a little weird that the stickers are backwards. I shouldn't have put stickers on the laptop. I think this is fine, though. This is really freaking me out. But it totally works. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. As there's not an easy way, so that's what I'm going to do. I mean, this would be like this most of the time anyway. So, you know, big deal the stickers are backwards. Okay. It's a different side. Yeah, Mathieu will redo the stickers in post. Mirrored stickers in the shop, yeah. So, all kidding aside, I'm happy to joke around about it being backwards, but do you think that I think the actual, like, if you're a beginner who isn't like, who just started watching these tutorials for a class, like, this is going to be fine for you, right? You don't care that the stickers are backwards. And someday, I just have to get used to this. No, I think it's fine. No, but the whiteboard is not affected. So the whiteboard would still, so when I walk, okay, whoops, that camera went off. And I'm only going to do this for stuff with the web editor. So when I walk over here, you know, here we are. And then I walk back, and I enter. So So I think this is the best solution for maximizing the space of the, right, I know it's weird. Oh, it's very weird. Yeah, I mean, but it is what it is. The other option would be for me to take this whole thing and like put it over here. But then it's going to be in my way. I think I'm going to do this. So I have like these horrible mosquito bites. I keep scratching them. All right. Got another sticker. That's going to put on that NYU camp. I think this is all I wanted to do. I am set up with Visual Studio Code. I should get this welcome thing to go away. Uncheck. Visual Studio Code. Open recent. Like that. Show all commands. Like that. New untitled file. Toggle terminal. And here. But when I'm doing my Visual Studio Code and web browser stuff, I'm going to go back to the way I had it before. So what I actually should do is I should create two views. Whatever, I'll just move it around. Oh, shoot. Sorry, hold on. Okay. The only thing I don't love about this is the code is pretty far, but I can still kind of come over here and like talk about it. But I liked having the code nearer to me. So one thing is, I'm not opposed to making some, it's true, we could sort of like hack like a little Chrome extension to like flip the editor. So I'm not opposed to trying that. If anyone the URL you need to go to is editor.p5js.org. I think we're unlikely to be able to merge that as a new feature for the web editor's launch tomorrow. But maybe there's a way that I could even just have like a quick little Chrome extension that does it for me temporarily, and we could later on have that as a feature of the editor. But yes, that I would like. That would work well for me, I think. All right. So if anyone wants to like help me hack a way to do that together, that would be great. Okay, I've got to go. And so I should be ready for tomorrow. So let me talk about what I'm planning to do tomorrow. Let me actually make a list. Doesn't hurt for me to do this over here. Where's my... Oh, I really should not have left this here for like a month. It's not so bad. Wow, it's actually coming off. Okay. So, these are my plans for tomorrow, which might be too much to do. Check Slack. Okay, so maybe there's... oh, wow. So I thank you for that. I'll play around with that. Okay. So what do I need to do? I want to do... This is not a pen that works. Announce P5 web editor. New intro to code. New color, new drawing. I'm not going to have time to do all this. Tutorial. New color tutorial. And new drawing tutorial, new color tutorial, and also, oh yeah, and then I was going to do snake coding challenge. Challenge Redux. So the snake video, think about it, the snake video is my most watched video. It's up to like 1.6 million views. I kind of really made this horribly like awkward, weird version of the snake game. I thought I would redo it using the P5 web editor, also using ES6 classes, just try to like redo it again, see if I could get the same game with a little bit better. So if anyone wants to look at my code and give me a code review, you could do that on GitHub, just leave some comments or something. Or, I mean, so that's kind of my plan for tomorrow. Any thoughts about this? The sound is significantly lower than your other videos. Oh, I didn't actually work out the sound effect stuff. Let me work that out. Okay. Do I want to... let me see if I can get the... I'm just going to plug in my phone. I'm not going to worry about the iPad right now. I don't even know where it is. Hope someone didn't steal it. Oh, that's up there. Oh wait, no, I can't plug in my phone. I don't have a don't have a audio headphone jack on this thing. Okay. Let's see if this is actually. Oh yeah, okay. Let me just see if I did some crazy stuff on the other computer with like to try to get the sound effects to play, which I don't care if I don't have working tomorrow, but I'm just curious. Okay, so now I take this and it goes into here. So how did I do it on this computer? System preferences, sound, whoops. Onyx Blackjack. So this is the, no, but I don't want output to that. I want input from that. Did I use like Looper or something? I might have used something called Looper. But I need to make a multi-output device. How do I do that? Ugh, I don't remember how I did all this stuff. I need to balance the music and my voice. Yes. Okay. So I have a few more minutes. Let me think. I mean, the meeting I have to go to is at 3. I really can't be late. I don't want to see this AirPlay stuff. So let me think about this. This is, okay. So how did I do that on this computer? I don't remember. I think I was using a third-party tool. Loop back audio. Yes. Shoot. I've bought this. So, okay. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, now I remember using this. Okay. Yes. So let me find my loopback serial number. Loopback license key. Okay. Continue, next, 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 close tour. All right, let's see. Oh, license. Oh, whoops. Okay. I hope you're all getting this license now down. Ah. Okay, great. All right, got that. All right, so okay, so now I've got that. So this is how I did it, but let me not worry about this right now. Let me just see how I had it set up on this computer. I'm okay. Thanks for the message. It just takes me 5 minutes to get downstairs, and it's at 3. So, wow, the sound out of this is totally different. So hold on. Are you hearing the music? I'm gonna mute my mic. No, okay, it's not coming through laptop. Okay. So, but if I do this, oh wait, okay, hold on. So I need to create a multi-output device. There we go. And I want to output to both of these. Okay. And then I want to go to System Preferences, Sound, Multi-Output Device. Oh, right. It's so weird. Why, on my other one, I'm able to do this. Oh, and then maybe in loopback. Hold on a sec. Oh, I know. So the thing that I like to be able to do, is my audio on? Yes. The thing, yeah, I can do this all just through, without loopback. Now I remember why I want loopback. Let me just see how I'm doing it here, just to confirm. Yeah. I guess. I don't, because I think what I want is to be able to have this say MacBook Pro speakers, but loopback monitor through, yeah, there we go, multi-output device. There, that's what it is. So now, there we go. And I can also mute my laptop, and my laptop's muted right now. You're hearing the music. My laptop's on. I can change the volume on my laptop, but all the while it's coming through. Okay. I mean, one reason why my voice might be quieter is because I tend to, when I'm quote unquote performing, I tend to talk a bit louder. Okay, but this will do. Okay, so now the sound is ready. But I certainly can up my volume a little bit. Which I'm doing now. Okay. All right. Well, so I'm ready for tomorrow. This is my list. I'm planning to start at 4:30. A little bit of time, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I mean, with a lot of wasted time in between, but 10, 20, 30, an hour. I think, I could do this tomorrow. All right. I've got to go. So thank you for being here. This stays here. This comes with me. I'm all backwards. I'm gonna unplug the laptop. I'm gonna plug in this, charge the iPad. So I should be live then tomorrow at 4:30 with my regularly scheduled programming. And it's August, so technically I'm getting a live stream in August because I think I might have only had one other. All right, so this I need, this I'm going to take with me. This I'm leaving here. I need to tape this. just for the time being, I'm just going to do this. So laptop's going out. Okay, so, is anybody, before I go, I don't know how many people are actually watching this right now. I mean, I have to go to, hold on, let me log this out. Is anybody a YouTube member who's watching this who is not, is anybody a YouTube member who is not, does not have a Slack invite? If that is you, please say something in the chat. Mic is going off. I just have to go to my, okay, so I'm hitting stop streaming because I really have to go. But please get in touch. Look, there's a Google form you can fill out. Send me, I don't know, but so please get in touch if you are a YouTube member but do not have a Slack invite. If you tweet at me or something like that. You can find my email. Daniel@thecodingtrain.com apparently goes to me. So that's good.